Hello guys, welcome back to your one and only Skyletty, and today we'll be doing a reaction to Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location, so let's bounce to it. How'd they get the voice lines? I've never watched this before. This notification just popped up. My favorite YouTuber. Shout out to Gotcha Edit 79. Please subscribe to her channel. She is amazing. So, POV. I'm Funtime Freddy trying to convince you to stop hating me. But every time Bonbon rejects drinking the hot exotic butters, you reject the show niceness.
Please. I'm not going to drink it. I made this for you. No, but
Just like I made the channel for you.
to drink this. I'm not drinking it. Drink it now or I'll tear the floor and blame it on you. Oh, real mature. I made this for you. Oh, poor baby. Why don't you grow up?
Oh God.
I do this because you're my best friend. I'm not going to drink it. I hate you.
Why is his voice so
That's
high?
all I hear anymore. Bonbon, try this.
Why is Bonbon's voice so high pitched when he screams?
Bonbon, here's the birthday boy. And even I remember that idea you had for the kids. What was it? Chocolate cake and gasoline. Yeah, gasoline. And you almost burnt the damn kid alive. I didn't eat the chocolate cake with gasoline. Oh yeah, and don't forget you told Baby to give that little girl ice cream. And she died. Yep, one little girl died.
Bonbon? You have taken it over the top. Elizabeth Afton will not be happy with this. You will be dismantled right after this episode by me and my hands and myself. You have taken it too far with Funtime Fred Boy. Funtime Fred Boy, I'm going to pet you through my screen after this picture.
You take this right now!
God!
Drink it yourself. But there's so much left of it, and it's so exotic. Drink it. No! Yes. No!
Yes!
Bonbon. Yes, Fred. Please. Drink my hot, exotic butters.
The sound effect!
It's good. I like it.
The sound effect, though.
Oh, shut my exotic butter!
What? What? Excuse me.
My hot, exotic butter. It's good. I like it. Oh, shut my exotic butter!
What the Jesus blaming flaming buttholes was that? Well, anyways, I'm gonna go post this video